Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's vlog. I hope you're having a fantastic Sunday morning. I hope your morning is crisp. I hope it's energetic. And I hope that you're getting ready to start your week with renewed energy. If not, that's okay too, because adulthood really be adulting. And guys, I'm sorry if I sound like a frog has gotten hold of my tonsils. I'm still I still have a lot of mucus going on, probably TMI, but that's why I sound like a frog has, it's probably stinging in the back of my throat. Excuse me. We'll be back to regular programming soon. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, darling. And if you're new, I hope that you like my videos. I make lifestyle and family videos, just regular everyday life. I'm Jamaican. I recently moved to Canada and live in Saskatchewan with my family, so I make videos around that. Basically, I make videos about my life. When I was in Jamaica, it was about living in Jamaica. Now that I live in Canada and I'm a new immigrant, there's some of that in there too, but mostly family and lifestyle content. If that sounds interesting to you, I hope you stick around. I hope you check out my other videos and subscribe if you like them and share them. If you watch my videos all the time, guys, and you are not subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. So this week was really low-key. I was recovering from being ill last week, so I pretty much just went to work, went home, a couple of appointments, and that was it. I was probably always where I was supposed to be this week. Not too many detours. It got a little bit busier towards the end of the week, but mostly I just chilled out. What was your week like? Let me know in the comments.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes.
But for some time the liners were there, probably wondering what they should be doing. And so, after some discussions, again with elders, I decided that rather than go to a professional,
Yes, you have that 2:30 appointment.
Yes. You'll always be my night sky.
I just had the nicest tour of government house. Lots of history. A lot of history. That moving mirror was creepy. Yeah. Work from home lunch. I got a salad with some air fried salmon and some drinks. Very quick. So my AirPods kicked the bucket. So I'm going to replace them because who's walking around with their food and not using earphones in 2024? Not me. Not me. My blunt ass friends and family. No ma'am. No ma'am. Anyway, so I'm gonna do that, but I'm also gonna use the opportunity to get a little bit of shopping done because my husband's birthday is coming up, and the man is never gone from the house more than a few minutes at a time. Quite literally, like, he is never anywhere. So I gotta get my thing in when I can get my thing in, you know what I'm saying? Also, complete motherhood transparency here. How do y'all balance, like, teaching the kids how to use their voice, like stand up for themselves, but also like, so here's the challenge that I'm having, right? My child is very outspoken. However, when it comes to my feelings and her father's feelings, she is hyper aware. And she does her best. Like, she's actively concerned about hurting her feelings. So how do you balance that? I love that you're outspoken. Go on and speak up for yourself, baby. I love that you're considerate as well. But, like, how do I teach her don't put mommy's feelings on the front burner? Like, do you get what I'm saying? Like, I get it, it's sweet, but I'm not trying to teach my kid that being concerned about other people's feelings should be like a reason for her to make herself small, make her voice smaller. Especially like as a young lady. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, how are like experienced mamas, come on, help me out. Like, you know how it is, we're raising, you know, emotionally intelligent and, you know, well-developed young ladies. Like, that's what I want. I want her to be able to say, Mommy, I know that's not what you like, but this is what I like. Like, she will tell me that she likes, like, I'll ask her if she likes something, and then her response is, do you like it? And then if I like it, she'll say I like it. Like, how do I teach her? Like, I think it's fine. I think she's getting it when it comes to external people. But how do I temper her soft spot for mommy? Does that make sense? Like, tell me if it makes sense. But I feel like I'm walking a fine line. A very fine line, because I don't want to teach her. I don't want to just, like, of course I don't want her to be like, just say hurtful things to mama. But at the same time, like, if I ask you what you want, use your voice. Just like how you can use your voice when it comes to other people, use your voice when it comes to mommy too. Okay? Anyway, I'm gonna run them errands here and go back home. What I do is fill out one whole heap of bird feather and bird poo. Just like Oh, look here. Look at it. Watch them. I ain't like it. I ain't like it. Don't go home. I'm done for the day.
Mommy,
Yes.
did you know the smaller part of the car is the most expensive one?
Is it?
I've learned.
Guys, we're in London. There's a Scareful Festival. Tons of things happening down here today. So we're gonna check it out for a little while. We can't stay long, but
Right? We have to only stay 1 hour because I have dance. And I promise Mommy I'm not gonna bawl when it's time to go.
better not.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, sleeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while. I feel it
For the second time in the week, I'm in a heritage house. So really,
This is the kitchen. Wow.
it is.
So old. So
Ice box. This is what they had for a fridge.
That is not cold.
No, that would put their ice in it. Maybe when they took it from outside. Look at the stove. Look at your phone. Eh?
They set the table up so nice. They set the table for us to come for dinner.
You watch When Calls the Heart? They had like a period. This was a telephone. Like you would hold it like you would take this. You have to hold this.
There's no one.
Oh my god.
All empty.
Oh my god.
Can we go up the stairs? Yeah.
For music, eh? This is how they listen to music. That is the Bible?
That's mad.
That is the
That is crazy.
That is the world's largest.
That is
It's a Bible. If you were a child during those times and you came to school, this is where you would come to school.
The class is
Huh?
the class is so small.
Yes, modern times, everything big, everything used to be small. I love that my kid enjoys museums and things, but her fascination is wild. It's wild to see. It's wild for me to see. It's wild to see her reaction. I mean, all she knows is modern stuff. Well, I use something like that, but not cool. Mommy used to use them, right? Like, Mommy used to, because she used to make the uniforms, use one of them that she used to use to set the pleats. It's creeping you out? Okay, let's go. Okay, everything was just...
The class is so tiny.
Yes, you're
What
on...
do I have?
You just born, so you're used to big things and enough space.
What do I have to say about that?
You just born, so you're used to big things and enough space. But back in the day, you know, they didn't have any electricity. There was no internet.
You okay, Mom?
You see the dog? So, let's note. Excuse me.
Only two people or three? Or only
Well-
2 or 3 people can fit in here?
Well, that's all they had and that's all they knew, so it was enough. They didn't need like a big school like you have now to go to.
They need 10, at least 10 classes for people.
Oh, you know, said 10 Pitney did live here. Maybe 10 Pitney never live here. Maybe I did like 5 Pitney.
No, sir.
And 1 teacher.
No, sir.
Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Could play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
So little ladies asked for dance, but right after that we're leaving for a birthday party. It's a full Saturday. She's got a birthday party afterwards. I didn't stop to get a gift, so I'm going to just do that now, and then go pick her up, and then we'll go to the party. But I wish I could stay in Lumsden longer, honestly. It was was a bit of things. It was interesting. It was a lot to see, but obviously you can only stay for an hour. I am all gifted out. Like, what are the kids loving these days? Especially like for little girls, gifts. Like, no, couple sister out. Make some suggestions. I like educational gifts, but I also know that, you know, kiddies love to play. But I'm like, I think we're all Barbied out. We're Barbied out. We're LOL'd out. What else? I don't know. Toys don't seem interesting to me, and I'm very mindful. I don't want to buy toys that are going to give parents issues. So things like the kinetic sand and the things that I know are going to make a mess, I don't buy them for my own kid because I don't want them as my house. So I tend not to buy them for other people's kids. You know, that's just a personal thing for me. Watcha.